dear students. I am your CS Miss. Today we are going to start our lesson number 1. The lesson topic is Introduction to Computer. Introduction to Computer. Before that, we recall our last classes, previous classes. What is computer? Computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. Computer have 4 parts. Parts of computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Now come to the lesson topic, Introduction to Computer. Computer is made up of 4 types of devices. Computer is made up of 4 types of devices. Input devices, processing device, output devices and storage device. Input devices, processing device, output devices and storage device. Let me understand the terms input, process and output. What is input, what is process and what is output? Look at the picture. It's a simple example. Pencil is input. Pencil is a input. Sharpening of pencil is process. Sharpening of pencil is processing. Sharpened pencil was output. Sharpened pencil was output. So, pencil is input. Sharpening of pencil is process. Sharpened pencil was output. Like that, in your computer, we type 2 plus 5 in using the keyboard. This is input. Type 2 plus 5 using the keyboard. This is input. The addition of two numbers, that means the addition of 2 plus 5 is done inside the CPU box. This is processing. What is CPU? What is the full form of CPU? Yes, the CPU's full form was Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. The step 3, the result 7 is displayed on the monitor. This is output. The result 7 displayed on the monitor. This is output. Let us learn about input devices, processing device, storage devices and output devices. First we learn input devices. You enter data and instructions into the computer by means of input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. A keyboard is used to input your work into the computer. A keyboard is used to input your work into the computer. Now we recall the keyboard by the simple video.
Hello friends, now we will learn about keyboard. A keyboard is an important part of a computer. It has many keys. A keyboard is an input device connected to a CPU. A keyboard has 104 keys. It has various types of keys. First is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys have all the letters from A to Z. You can type letters, words, and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. Second is A. Number keys. Number keys are the numbers from 0 to 9. Number keys is used to type roll numbers, ages. Third is caps lock keys. There is only one caps lock key. Pressing once you can type in capital letters. If you will press again, you can type in small letters. Fourth is space bar key. There is one space bar key. Space bar key is used to give blank space between two words. Space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Fifth is backspace key. There is only one backspace key. Backspace keys is used to delete one character back to cursor.
Now we learn mouse. A mouse is used to draw pictures and to select objects and text on the computer. Again we recall the mouse functions by using one video.
Hello friends. Now we will learn about mouse. Mouse is a part of computer which is used to point the icons on the computer. Mouse has three buttons. This is right click button, this is left click button, and this is wheel button. Mouse has a long tail in the form of wire which is connected to CPU. Now friends, do you know how to hold a mouse? First, place your index finger on the left mouse button. Second, place the middle finger on the right mouse button. Now hold the mouse with rest of your palm. Friends, do you know what is click? Pressing the mouse button once is known as click.
The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Some other input devices are joystick, scanner, microphone and light pen. Joystick, scanner, microphone and light pen. Joystick. It is used to play games on the computer. Joystick. It is used to play games on the computer. You know about joystick? Yes. Every video games they have a joystick. Joystick was used to turn the positions left, right, front, backward. Next one, light pen. Next one, light pen. It is used to select objects on screen. It is also used to draw figures directly on the screen. It is used in touch screen only. Touch screen monitors, we can use light pen to draw the figures directly on the screen or write anything. Next one, microphone. It is used to record voice, music and sounds into the computer. The microphone is used to record our own voice, music and sounds into the computer. And last one is scanner. It is used to input pictures into the computer. It is used to input our pictures or any pictures into the computer. Dear students, today we learn input devices. We will learn next class about processing device, storage devices and output devices. Thank you.